All right, here we go. Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone, lesson 5. I want to thank our friends at Caribou Coffee, the great Java kickstart to our day, along with our friends at Tim Hortons. Felt right at home having some Timmies here this morning. So in this heat, Sparky MJ, top left-hand corner of our screen, is the fastest on combined time in practice. We know he's going to be challenged by a bunch of pilots here, but we're watching him post his opening lap. Linden's getting onto that lead lap. We're on lap number 3 for Sparky MJ. On lap number 2, and Linden's 30 seconds left to go on the master race clock. Sparky MJ coming from our left to right, doing a yaw spin over the hurdle. And there's a ding, bring out a checkered flag. It'll just be Sparky MJ to finish up. So it'll be 4 laps, 2 minutes 11 for Sparky MJ. 1 more to finish. Lindens gets back up. We just want to get on the board and get seated in our top 16 or our next 16. We go across that line with Linens. 2 laps in 2 minutes 43. Andre, Sparky MJ wasn't reading. He might be low. Did you test him? Sparky, we want to test you. We're missing your reads. We just want to see if you're low. I was having a hand score.